Dear student, very warm good morning all of you. Chapter 14, factorization. Factorization means we will factorize the each part in a lowest form. So that first question is find the common factor of the given term. So that is 12x and then 36. So that first of all we will convert this one 2 into 2 into 3 into x. 2 to the 4th is 12 and then comma, that is 36. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, 2 to the 4th is 12, 3 is 36. So common factor, common common factor is equal to, see that 2 is same, again 2 is same, and then 3 is same. So that is a common factor. 12 is a common factor. And then second part 2y comma, that is 22xy. So that will be 2 into y comma 2 into 11 into x into y. So that common factor will be that 2 is matching and then y is also matching. So that will be 2y. And then third part, that 14pq 28 p square q square. So that 2 into 7 into p into q, that means 2 into 7 into p, p power 2 means p into p, and then q into q. So that common factor is equal to that 2 is matching, so 2 into 7 is also matching, 7, p is also matching, and then q is also matching. So multiply of that, 2 7s are 14, p q. That fourth part 2x comma 3x square comma 4. So that 2 into x, 3 into x into x, and then 2 into 2. So here you are looking, nothing is a common, nothing is a common. So what will be the common factor? Common factor is equal to 1. If there is no factor, that means there will become 1, because 1 is a number which can divide every number. And then fifth part, yes, fifth part, that 6abc 24ab square 12a square b. So that 2 into 3abc, we can write like this also, and then 2 into 3, 2 to the 4th is 12, 2 into 3, 2 to the 4, 2 to the 8th is 24, into a into b, because b has 2 times is there, 12, 2 into 3 into a into b. Now you are looking 2 and 3 everywhere is there. So common factor is equal to 2 into 3, and ab is also everywhere, ab is also everywhere. So we will write ab. So that 2 3 is 6, ab. Sixth part 16 x power 3 comma minus 4x square, and then comma 32x. So that will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that is the 16 into x, into x into x, then minus 2 into 2 into x into x, and then comma 32 also like the same, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16 to the 32 into x. So that common factor will be, so 2 time 2 is common, so that will be 2 into x is only one time, 2 into 2 into x, so that will be 4x, that will be 4x. And then other part you can do, no problem will be there. 2 part is left only here. And the next question, that will be also the same, that is a common thing is there. You will be see, factorize the following expressions, factorize the following expressions. So that first part 7x minus 42, so that you will be write 7x minus, that will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 7, so that you are looking these are the same, so that is a common, so that left is x and then minus this one, 2 3 is 6, this is the answer. And then second part 6p minus 12q, 6p minus 12q, so that you are looking that 2 into 3p minus 2 into 2 into 3q, so you are looking 2 2 and 3 3 also common, so 2 into 3, that is a come outside by common, so that p minus 2q is left, so 2 3 is 6, p minus 2q. And then third part 7a square plus 14a, 7a square plus 14a, 7a square plus 14a, so that 7 into a for this one, a into a plus 2 into 7 into a, so that 7 is common both and a is also, so 7a is come outside, so left is a plus 7a is come outside, left is 2, that is the answer. Fourth part 16z minus 16z square, sorry 16z only, and then that is 20z cube and then plus 20z cube, so that here you are looking that 4 maximum number we are looking here, like this maximum number we are looking, this 4 can be divided 16 and 20 also and z also, so that will be 4 4 ja 16, 4 4 ja 16, and then minus will be also come, and then plus that will be 4 5 ja, and then 3 time is here, 1 time is outside, so that is z. This will be the answer. You can do like this also. And then fifth part you can do, no problem will be there. Sixth part also you can do 5x square y and then minus 15x y square, so that here 5 into x into y minus 3 into 5 into x into y into y, so that 5 is every both side, and then x is also, y is also, so 5xy is come outside, that x is left, minus 5xy come outside, that is 3y left, that is the answer. And then next you will be see eighth part, that is minus 4a square plus 4ab minus 4 CA. So that minus 2 into 2 into A plus 2 into, no need to factorize the 4 because 4 you are looking the everywhere is common. So that you will be take the minus 4 common. So that 4 is come outside and minus also come outside. So that is, and A also, A is also everywhere. So that will be A minus, that will be B minus, that will be plus C because minus is come outside. If you will be take the common minus, then every sign will be changed. That is a plus. Now there is a minus. Here is plus. Then question number or part number. See the last part. 10th part. 10th part. Ax square y and then bxy square plus bxy square and then plus cxyz. So we are looking here. xy is both side. Everywhere is xy. So we will take the xy common as a xy. So here will be left ax. Here will be left by because y square is here. And here will be left cz. That is the answer. And then third question, that is also factorized. X square plus xy plus, that is the first part, x square plus xy plus 8x minus, sorry, everywhere plus 8y. So in these two we are looking the x, so that will be the common x. So x plus y will be left here and then plus this one plus, and these two you are looking the 8 is common, so x plus y. Again you are looking these two brackets are the same, so x plus y, and then left that outside x plus 8. This is the answer. First part I done, and then second part, that will be 15xy minus 6x plus 5y minus 2. So that in these two you are looking that common is 3 and then x is also. So 3 5 ja 15 and then x is come outside, that is a y, minus x is a come outside and then 3 2 ja 6 and then here nothing is common, so 1 will become, so 5y minus 2, and then again you are looking both brackets are same, so 5y minus 2 and then 3x plus 1. That is the answer. And then third part ax plus bx minus ay minus by. So you are looking here very simple. Here is a x common, so a plus b will be here and then minus. Here is a y common, so that a plus b, but you are looking here minus, so why you have come here plus. If you will be take the minus common, then every sign will be changed. This sign is minus, so here is a plus. This sign is also minus, so here is a plus. Again you are looking both brackets are same, so you will be write the bracket and then those are outside, you will write also in bracket. Fourth question, fourth part, that 15pq plus 15 and then plus 9q plus 25p. So first of all here we will manage. Here will be manage the things, because if we are taking 15 common, then here will be left pq, or here is not a pq, because we need to make these two brackets are the same. So we can take this one this side. So 15 PQ plus 25 P and then plus 9Q plus 15. So in these two we can take the common 5P. So that will be 5 3s ja, and then left will be Q plus 5 5 ja. And here will be take 3 common. So 3 3 ja, Q plus 3 5 ja. Now you are looking both brackets are same. So that will be again the common 3Q plus 5. And then left is 5P plus 3. And then last part of this one, Z minus 7 plus 7XY minus XYZ. So here what we can do here, see that in these two there is nothing common, so 1 Z minus 7, and then here you are looking, first of all we will manage this one. First of all we will manage this one will come this side and this one will come this side. So Z minus 7 minus XYZ and then plus 7XY. So that in these two you are looking common 1, so Z minus 7 and then minus XY is common, so XY, so that will be Z minus 7. By the this one sign, this sign has changed. So again Z minus 7 is common, so left is outside 1 minus XY. Like this you will be solve these problems. Okay.